What did Scuttle call this one? Is it a diddy-wumper? No, it's a thumb-doodle. Whatever it is, Prince Eric held it in his own strong, beautiful human hands.
Ariel, what is all this?
Daddy, they're my...
Human junk.
No, treasures.
Did you rescue a human from drowning?
He would have died.
That savage could have killed you, and it's my job to keep you safe from harm.
But he didn't frighten me. He made me feel wonderful. Besides, I'm not a child anymore.
No? Well, you're certainly talking like one. He's a human, and you're a mermaid.
It doesn't matter. You don't understand. I wish Mother were here.
Eric, I miss your mother just as much as you do. You are still the king of the sea, and you are not going to the surface again. Am I clear?
No!
Just try to protect this Sebastian.
You've your right, sire. Just give us some time.
I hate him.
Idiot, don't say.
And some friend you turned out to be, spilling everything?
I couldn't help it. We have my clothes in the clamp.
It doesn't matter. I don't need you. I don't need any of you. Just go away. I said go away. I don't belong here. If only I could be up there.
Poor, sweet, misunderstood child. He has a very serious problem, hasn't he? Who will ease her woes and worries? Who will help her get her human? Perhaps the sea witch can.
Who are you? How did you?
She's been dying to help you.
Ursula? Help me?
Why, yes. But she can't leave her lair.
Then take me to her.
Of course!